In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a massive engagement from your Facebook profile using attraction marketing secrets. Absolutely. I want to go ahead and show you and share with you what is stopping you from getting that massive engagement, all the leads that you need to grow your business or even start your business. So you want to pay attention until this entire video. I'm going to show you something that can change your social media Facebook profile today. My name is Shelton and welcome to the video today. In this video, we're going to talk about how can you create massive engagement, get plenty of leads from your Facebook profile or your Facebook business page. So pay attention because we're going to go ahead and dive into this content. So if you haven't yet, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more up-to-date information to grow your influence and create success from home. So let's go ahead and dive into the content. So I'm going to show you my screen, and this is something I created, and it's attraction marketing for Facebook profile for you can get leads and engagement, because I understand, you have a profile or you have a business page from Facebook and you want to create success. You want engagement, you want more comments, you want more likes, you want more leads, just like this says right here. Well, I'm going to go ahead and show you something I created, that's something simple for you to follow step by step. So let me go ahead and show you exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, right now, here's what I'm talking about. I created a course for you can go ahead and take advantage of, and right below this video, I have the session for you available. So you click on the link right below this video is a attraction marketing course. So look for that actually writing, and there's a link right there. You click on that link right there, so you can go ahead and take advantage of this unbelievable course, attraction marketing, because you want to attract customers to your profile, but you can go ahead and have that success. So this is what you're gonna get. You're going to get the 5-session course includes. You're gonna get I'm gonna show you step by step. You're gonna get the Facebook profile checklist, profile check, and basic profile setup. So I'm going to show you exactly how to set up your Facebook profile correctly, for you'll know and you'll be noticed that more people will start coming to you based on small adjustments from your Facebook profile settings. So don't worry if your stuff is not really working properly. This profile check and basic profile setup will help you out today. So we're going to talk about that, and that video is 29 minutes long. So I go step by step where you can understand it step by step. Then the next one is going to be tips for branding your Facebook profile. This is so important because you want to be able to stand out in front of the crowd, attract people to your business, and this will work for any online business. It does not matter what you're marketing or selling or promoting. These tips can help you grow your Facebook profile right now. There's over 1 billion users on Facebook right now, and why not take some of those users so they can go to your profile based on the tips and strategies you will learn here. And that video is 31 minutes long, so you'll get a chance to really understand the deep end of Facebook profile and branding tips. The next video is going to be Facebook communication methods. So when you're communicating with your leads and your prospects, I'm going to give you some basic functionalities of how you communicate with your leads and your prospects. So don't worry if you're not really a good communicator. I'm going to give you some tips and strategies what you can do to start having those good conversations, and for you can go ahead and start branding yourself, and you'll feel confident when you're having conversation on Facebook Messenger or even from your profile. So definitely want to pay attention to that. It's a really, really good course that's about 30 minutes long, and I'm telling you, communication is so key when you're talking to prospects, leads, or even your future customers. You need to be able to communicate with them effectively, and this video and this training will definitely help you out. The next one's going to be attraction marketing strategies. Attraction marketing is so important because you attract your tribe based on the fact of who you are and what you represent, and your message. Your message has to match the market. So in these attraction marketing strategies, I'm going to break down some easy strategy tips where you can go ahead and use towards your business or your personal branding. And don't worry if you don't really have really good strategies. Don't worry if you don't even know what attraction marketing is. This will help you out, especially branding your Facebook profile or any social media profile for that exact. But these strategies is important because you need to have a blueprint. You need to have some type of secrets that can help you get in front of the crowd. So you definitely want to go ahead and take advantage of this attraction marketing strategies. I'll break them down step by step once again. And that video is 27 minutes long. So this is something that I wanted to take the time to really do correctly. A lot of time was put into this, and I want you to go ahead and have success with attraction marketing strategy. So let's go into the next training. In the next lesson, we're going to talk about keeping a highly targeted profile. I will break down some stats, some simple, easy strategy tips of how you keep your profile targeted toward your targeted audience. Right. So basically, you'll have the attraction marketing strategies, and then I'm going to help you in terms of targeting your profile where you can stand out in front of the crowd. Don't worry about if you don't even know what target marketing is, or even a targeted profile from Facebook is. I will go ahead and tell you and break that down on why it's important for you to target your audience and make sure that profile is targeted. So when you post something out on Facebook, people will understand what that's about, and then it's all a part of your branding. So we do talk about that and step-by-step, easy steps that we'll go ahead and take. Now the next one is a bonus, and I think this is really important. It's not thinking, it is important because quality content is very, very key. And so basically what I do here, the next step here is a bonus, is 25 content ideas in 25 days. Now these 25 content ideas is something you can use within a month. You can use them repeatedly. And these are content ideas I believe will help you stand out and give you that authority figure, that authority presence, where you can go ahead and promote your business or your brand or anything you're promoting very effectively with these content strategies. 25 content ideas in 25 days will definitely help you market your business and your profile really highly effectively. I understand quality content sometimes it's hard to come up with content. First of all, I'm going to go ahead and give this to you as a bonus because you took advantage of this course, and so you're going to get a bonus, 25 content ideas in 25 days. So if you're struggling with coming up with basic content strategy, if you're struggling with content ideas, I got you covered. Don't even worry about it because quality content is king and queen. So don't even worry about that. So that is the layout of Attraction Marketing Accelerated course with Facebook. That's exactly what I'm talking about, of how you can create a massive engagement and get leads and sales in your business today. So go ahead and take advantage of it. Right below this video, I have the link where you can go ahead and get signed up and get started today, where you can go ahead and create that massive engagement from your Facebook profile, and you can grow your business today, and you can get those leads also today as well. So my name is Adam Shelton. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more up-to-date information to grow your influence and grow your brand today. So don't forget, click on the link below, sign up for the Attraction Marketing Accelerator course with Facebook today, and I'll see you on the next video.